A woodworking shop is no stranger to innovation. Even though we use the same joinery and follow, mission style and so on and so forth, we try to put it together in new and innovative ways. And it's not very often that we get to come up with a technique that's innovative on its own. And I can honestly say I came up with this technique independently, but you tell me if someone came across it before. One method for box making is to take a single piece of board and cut it into the various sections where you would have the side, front, side, back, or whatever arrangement you prefer. And the reason for that is you want a continuation of the grain even around a corner. The problem with that is that you have two corners here that will not necessarily match up. And what a lot of box makers do is they'll go ahead and put that on the back side so that it's not that visible from the front. But what if you have a box that you're sitting on a coffee table and you want it to be seen from all angles, and you want it to look good from all angles? Well, you don't want to put that bad corner back there. So one method that I've devised is to take a piece of 8/4 lumber and resaw it. And of course, everyone knows book matching. I'll have a good continuation of grain, and I'll have kind of matching grain on either side. But if I do it end for end, that means I'll have matching grain here and matching grain here. And it also works for the other side. And if I take each of these pieces and take a front and side and a back and side, I will have a continuation of grain on all corners, which will give me a much more quality looking piece. Now here are the work pieces I just showed you, and I cut the sides out of those. I'm not quite ready for glue up. I still have some work to do on my 45-degree miters, but if I get all the numbers right, I have the front, which is I have numbered 1, and the side that I have numbered 4. So 1, 2, 3, 4. And these match up just fine. You can see that I have a dark splotch right here that continues around. I have a lighter bit of grain right here and a little bit more dark, and of course there's a heavy dark right here that continues up out of the workpiece like this right here. So now once I'm all said and done, I'm going to have a box that's going to look good from any corner that you want to see it in.